What happened?
That.
What were you?
Bookshelf.
What were?
Bookshelf.
What were you saying? He's flying and.
This. He caught me. He let go of me. Fly over there. He jump over there with wings.
Goodness.
And he jumped over me. Caught me. Fly over me. Jump over me. He jumped over that wall. They break that one. That one.
Goodness.
He break that. He threw that one.
Whoa. Then what happened?
I got a big wheel on my leg.
Oh.
Fly over there. And they jump over there. Hey, not that. They jump over there and I get from my leg.
Oh my goodness.
And when we get wings with the elephant, and bye, and swing over there and woodline. He fall down in the. I get a big owie.
Are you okay?
I gone to the pool. Now I get her this on my skin.
On your skin?
No, with my big owie.
Yeah. Hey Chooks,
What?
there was a little turtle.
There was a little turtle.
Uh-huh.
Live in the box. It swim through the puddles and climb on the rocks. Snap at the mosquito. Snap at me. I'm gonna put the bird.
Now, did he catch the mosquito?
Catch me in the mosquito. And he snapped at me. Daddy, look what I copied in the shadow.